What is it, Peterson?
I'm not sure. I feel a disturbance.
I'm a firing my laser! End it.
Hear that? We must be getting close. Hold on.
I ain't got no pennies on, ain't got no pennies on.
Believe in creation under certain circumstances.
I don't remember none of this.
Amazing! Watch how OxyClean unleashes the power of oxygen!